আসসালামু আলাইকুম। খিচুড়ি আমার বেশ পছন্দ, হোক সেটা ভুনা খিচুড়ি, পাতলা খিচুড়ি, যে খিচুড়ি হোক আমার কাছে খেতে বেশ ভালো লাগে। তো চলেন খিচুড়ি খেতে খেতে একটা ইংরেজি টপিকস আজকে রিডিং প্র্যাকটিস করি। তো আজকের টপিকস হচ্ছে স্কুল। হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, টুডে আই ওয়ান্ট টু talk about the importance of school. School is a place where students learn new things and develop important skill for life. It helps us gain knowledge, improve our abilities, and prepare for a successful future. At school, we study different subjects that help us understand the world around us. Also, teachers guide students and encourage them to work hard and achieve their goal. School teaches discipline, responsibility, teamwork, and respect for others. Students have the opportunity to make friends, participate in activities, and discover their talents. Education is one of the most valuable gifts for a person can receive. By attending school regularly and studying with discipline, students can build a brighter future for themselves. School is not only a place for learning but also a place where dream began success.